episode of Star Review with Kiekie. So yesterday was the premiere of Gangs of Lagos as directed by Jade Oshibaru. And of course, you do call dress code. It was Owambe Gangster, and we had a lot of people, come on that red carpet. We saw, the style was great, the ambience was great, the feel, everything was wonderful. By the way, it's such a great movie. You should go and watch it for yourself. Now, let us talk about the theme itself to start with. And of course, a little bit of, get to know Star Review and Shock Show as we commence into the new era of the show with Kiekie. So basically, for you to make it to the best dress list or to the Star Review, my top 10 or my top 8, my top 5, whatever number I decide to call it, you must stay true to the theme. That's how it rolls. So you might have a very nice look, nice dress, nice shoes, nice accessorizing, but if it's not in the theme or to theme or in tune with the theme, you might not just be on the show. So understand that. Now remember, these are my favorite looks. I only just hope that you agree with me, but it is not compulsory. Yes, and also for the Shock Show is when you go to a program and we have a listening for questioning has how, for why, has when, for them. Could it be an accident? Could it be an issue? Could it be a problem? But about the request having a little bit of a spiritual bucket, then we now collect your offering, we collect your dressing, we collect your look as a collective effort. To the Shock Show, when you get yourself, you ask yourself, I could die for high for sure, but for sure, don't worry, I will not drag it too much. So guys, welcome to my first look at the premiere of Gangs of Lagos in Lagos. In no particular order, there were some looks that really gave me life. I'm like, come on, bring it on. And one of those looks is going to be of Bimbo Ademoye. Girl, the gele took me at first. It is Owambe with gangster. So I love the direction of the gele, which was, quite, unconventional. I love the neck piece. It was bold. It was speaking. It was present. You dare not miss it. And of course, I love the jacket, which was giving me that gangster feel. I love the pantyhose. I love the short skirt. Everything was just coming together and giving me that. I own the moment. I'm on the spotlight. Take the chance. Take the move at me, baby. And that was, the entire feel for the outlook. It was more like, I know who I am. I am the princess of the Saleku. So see me, know me, vibe with me kind of thing. And when you eventually see the film, you see why she had to dress like that, because that's, that's like a character. So I studied on the red carpet, literally brought a character to life and made me understand more why she just had to be the princess in the film. Now, another person that did that magic for me is going to be Adesua. How you doing? Not us twinning with the smoke. Now, it's basic. Owambe gangster. Owambe, give me the agbada gangster. Me bandana. Hey, bandana, Lord, it's too bad. Hey, oh bad. No, you are bad. And when I saw that look, I'm like, yeah, it's fine. Interpretation is very basic in every scene. And that's why I feel like the first thing for you to do when you hear a theme for your red carpet is to Google it. Google it, go on Pinterest, look for inspirations and directions, and then find your own person in between all of this. And that was what, Elilua did. And also, another thing that you should do with, themes is to introduce props, things that can bring your look to life. So I love the cigar, with the smoke, it's giving like some puff and pass kind of feel. And that was exactly what, Bimbo did with her look, with the pistol. No, I don't mean spooky, you get my point. Now, this look was present, it was fitting, it entered, easily into the scheme of the event, and it was beautiful. Now, another look that wasn't doing too much, but was a lot, is going to be that of Mimi Onolaja. Now, what Mimi did there was just to give me that wide leg pants. See, once you give me a wide leg pants, you're already giving me gangster feel. Do you understand me now? And then she threw in that, turban-like Ashoke gili, giving me that Owambe. And then the Ashoke also detailed the outfit. The accessorizing was minimal because the outfit had a very huge role to play in the entire look. And I was like, girl, you know the work, you know the onions, you know the pepper, hello, you do this one. And it was beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, Coco literally took her style to the street. I mean, Chloe, that was great. I think the ambience alone killed it. When it comes to, taking a picture, sometimes they have a great outfit, but the background is wrong. The ambience is wrong. Sometimes the ambience is great, but the outfit is too basic. But see, when it comes to Chloe, the outfit was great, ambience was great, poise and pose was given. This is an instance of 10 over 10 minus nothing equals to 100%. And that was exactly what Chloe did with this particular look. I saw her in person. I'm like, so when I touched her, I first of all do my eyeliner to Etomi. No, look at Etomi. It was hot. Like a hippo. It was really beautiful. I loved it. And I see throwing in the floral glasses, giving me that, Lagos Afrocentric vibe. It was just great. It was doing everything, to that look, and it was really, really beautiful. Now, we had one of the characters in the film who played the role of Kazim. Yes, a little bit of spoiler there. He gave me, when I saw that look at first, I wasn't really getting it. However, when I saw the film and I saw that there was this Ayo, thing in the film, I connected immediately. Because at the end of the day, Owambe is not just about, your Ankara, your Ashoke, or your Damascus and yada. Owambe, it's like, it's a uniform for celebration, It's just the way that we call it in Nigeria, I think particularly to Yoruba people. And, the way it just infused that Ayo thing, giving that Lagos, that element of Lagos in his speech was just beautiful. And of course, throwing that cap was a further reminder, no matter, I'm a gangster. You see anyhow, you do anyhow, you feel anyhow, you breathe anyhow. And that was the energy that outfit had. And then, the poise, the movement, the way you carry the outfit. Courage goes a long way in a fit. You might have a very great ambience. The outfit might be great. Accessorizing and all that might be great. But if you do not carry it, it's just not going to work. I don't want to know if you are using the fastest internet in this world. If your subscription is really 3 gig, you cannot download something of 10 gig or cost count. I won't get it now. It wouldn't cost count. And that's one thing that is how we had. The right amount of gig to upload the right amount of gig that was needed to make that gig a beautiful outing for him. And that was exactly what he did on that red carpet. Another outfit on the red carpet that was given, everything it was supposed to give, is going to be that of Adesua Etomi Wellington. She is like, I am going to be that mafia boss, and I'm going to show up with my blazers. And that was some gang shit. Now, do you know how the Owambe came into that look? The blazers was done in Ashoke. Goodness. Alka, our outfit, it do command presence. Our outfit is giving instruction. Pause and look at me. Pause and pay attention. It was seamless. You know me by now. I'm for a seamless piece. I'm for a direct piece. And the trick with being seamless and seemingly simple is it requires a lot of effort, a lot of attention, and it's very tricky. So when I find people who do simple and make it seem seamless, yet they look exquisite, I give them A1. She creates, I can even create a new habit for them. Yeah, don't ask me any question. Because when you see this kind of outfit, you dare not question it. Another thing that I loved about that outfit is the way she was able to infuse the weave, into that particular look. You'll have thought that kind of bossy look, you don't want to see any type of weaving or back or all front or all side or short on inside of the look. But, the way it was done, everything was to the back. So it was, allowing me to see everything happening in front, the detailing, the makeup, the colored wings. It was just really beautiful. Now, like I said before, it was in no particular order. So lastly, on the show for the favorite looks I had at the premiere of Gangs of Lagos is going to be of Dion Hair. Gangs of Lagos. Owambe gangster. So what he did do, his pants and top was in Ashoke. And then he just gave me that leather jacket. And that's what? Owambe gangster. You know, see that head woman. That's how you know a thug that just arrived. Okay, I've been just giving my first piece too. I want to show you more the pew ticker. That's how you know a person. So you should join. Don't get that. So you look like someone that is still in that KG2 of that gangster life. But if you look at his picture, it looks like someone that they will quickly promote, they will quickly become the boss. It's quiet, isn't it? It's just looking at you. Pose, like I said before, is a lot of thing in style. So he brought in the pose, brought in the poise, and an outfit that could almost give you an everyday vibe became a completely different and outstanding outfit. And guys, I tell you, that is how to do a red carpet and not go unnoticed. So a little bird told me that people heard that I'm coming back with the star review and the shock show, and that's why everybody cares with themselves. Well, I love it. I want to see great styles all of the time. But do not worry, in case I say where you are not up to date, where you're tight, where you are not on check, then you're gonna definitely find yourself on the shock show. However, until the next time I catch you on another exciting episode of Star Review with Kiekie, comment, like, share, subscribe. Mwah.